yourself, Masters. You're in a very bad situation right now.
Well, I've been in worse. I was once taken hostage by the guards of a Nigerian prince. Oh, the horror.
Well, you're not in Nigeria anymore, Mr. Masters.
I wasn't in Nigeria, fool. That would have been too risky for a high-profile agent, such as myself.
Regardless, I can make all of this...
They lured me into their scheme with an electronic mail.
Ralph, I can make...
The funds were to be wired to their account. I was promised a quite handsome reward. The guard may or may not have been my mother, and the jail may or may not have been my room under a sentence of 3 days. However, I
can make all of this disappear if you just answer my question.
I'll never talk to a scoundrel like you. I know my rights. The Second Amendment is on my side.
I think you lost all of your rights when you decided to take on the very system that gives you those rights. Now I have to make you talk.
Knox?
Ralph?
How do you know my name? Nobody knows my name.
We've gone to school together for 11 years.
Carry on.
What are you reading?
Nietzsche.
My favorite philosopher. What's that famous quote?
I forgot.
What's the point of setting up secret codes if you're not going to remember them? Regardless, I have a job for you.
Keep it down! I've managed to blend in so far, but we are still in an ever-expanding sea of villainy.
Should we go somewhere more quiet?
Keep it down!
This is a nice pool. Did you build it on the backs of the Native American people? Enough small talk. What's the mission?
The mission, yes. So, I know you've gotten into some tangles with the system, but together we can make sure that those never see the light of day. If we can break into the school administration office, we can take back our permanent records.
Permanent records?
Records of everything you've done. The good, the bad, the ugly. I've got some ugly and it needs to go.
So, they know everything about me. All my life and all that it entails in the hands of monsters.
Precisely.
My life on a page.
Hi guys, how you doing?
Ah, Jimothy, the hall monitor.
It's Jimmy.
Yes, Jimothy, the serpent scouring the halls of the educational conformity camp. What brings a goon like you to a haven like this? Just following orders?
I invited him, actually.
Are you mad? That totalitarian scumbag defies everything we're trying to work for here.
I'm standing right here, you know.
This doesn't concern you.
What's going on?
We're going to break into the school administration office and take back our permanent records.
Why is this?
Clueless.
We need you.
As much as I disagree, you know the inner system better than anyone else.
As much fun as that sounds, I think I'm gonna have to pass. Have fun, guys.
Have you no integrity, soldier?
I think I do.
Don't think! Just do what I say and you will escape the clutches of Big Brother and be free to think as you please. It's a heist.
And action.
Fine. Let's just go. I know a place.
Standing right here, you know.
This doesn't concern you.
Shut up!